How to join friends on Among Us. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how you can easily join friends on Among Us. But before we get started, don't forget to hit the like button down below and subscribe to our channel. Now, without any further ado, let's jump right into the video. The first thing you want to do is open up your Among Us app and make sure that you are logged into your account. And once you are logged in, all you have to do is simply go ahead and tap on the play button on the top left. And then here you actually have two options. To play with your friends, you just want to head over to online. And then if your friend has sent you a code, you can enter the code here. Let me show you guys how a code looks by entering in a game. So I'm just going to go ahead and enter in a random game here. Once you get into a game, as you can see right below is the option to see the code. Now once you land on the host page, you just want to tap on this private and enter the code that your friend has sent you. So I'm just going to enter a code here, and then I should be able to join my friend. So go ahead and tap on OK, and then tap on this arrow button to join the game. And once you land on the page, then you should be able to go ahead and enter on the game like this. It seems like the code was correct, but the chat type that I've entered was incorrect, so it was only quick chat. So let me go ahead and enter the code again. And once you enter the code, just go ahead and tap on that arrow button down below. And you should be able to join the game like this. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. I'll catch you guys on the next one.